Identify the reactants. The two substances being mixed are aqueous ammonia, NH3, and vinegar. In chemistry, vinegar is recognized as a dilute aqueous solution of acetic acid, CH3COH, or HC2H3O2. Classify the chemical species. Ammonia is a well-characterized weak base, and acetic acid is a well-characterized weak acid. Determine the reaction type. When an acid and a base are mixed, they undergo a neutralization reaction. Apply the Bronsted-Lowry definition. A Bronsted-Lowry acid-base reaction is defined by the transfer of a proton, H to the power plus, from an acid to a base. In this specific reaction, the acetic acid molecule donates a proton to the ammonia molecule. NH3 plus CH3COH gives NH4 to the power plus CH3COO to the power negative match with the options. Because the primary process is the transfer of a proton from the acetic acid to the ammonia, it is classified as a Bronsted-Lowry acid-base reaction, option B. The correct answer is option B, Bronsted-Lowry acid-base reaction.